Yes, students, a very good morning and a very warm welcome to today's class. And as you all know that we had already been doing the chapter Silk Road, and today we are on the part of completing the chapter. That is almost, I think we have reached the part जहाँ पे आज हम अपने इस chapter को complete कर सकते हैं. So हमने जो अभी तक किया था, we have done it till the point जहाँ पे जो दोनों हमारे ऑथर के जो दो कंपेनियंस थे, दे हैव ऑलमोस्ट जो थे वो वापस अपनी अपनी जहां से उन्होंने जर्नी स्टार्ट की थी, देवर ऑन द वी कैन से कि वो अपने बैक उस पे थे ट्रिप पे, एंड वो ऑलरेडी वो वहां से बाहर वापस जा रहे थे. एंड आवर ऑथर वाज लेफ्ट अलोन, हमारे ऑथर बिल्कुल अकेले रह गए थे वहां पे. सो ही वाज लिटिल वी कैन से टेंस्ड. The part that we were on in our previous class was that he was just having cold. जो हमारे ऑथर थे उनको कोल्ड का एक बहुत वी कैन से बहुत ग्रेट अटैक सॉर्ट ऑफ थिंग हो गई थी उनके साथ में कोल्ड की. एंड जो हमारे टीस्टन उनके साथ में थे, टीस्टन नेक्स्ट डे इमीडिएटली टुक हिम टू द डार्चन मेडिकल कॉलेज, एंड वहां पे उनको थोड़ा बहुत जो ट्रीटमेंट था उनको वो ट्रीटमेंट दिया गया. एंड आफ्टर दैट ट्रीटमेंट, आफ्टर दैट पर्टिकुलर ट्रीटमेंट, वो थोड़ा सा अपने आप को भी ठीक महसूस कर रहे थे. ही वाज फीलिंग हिमसेल्फ दैट यस ही इज क्वाइट फाइन. उन्हें काफी ठीक लग रहा था बिकॉज ही वाज बीइंग हैंडेड ओवर विद सम पैकेजेस. उनको कुछ ऐसे ऐसे पैकेजेस दे दिए थे दवाइयों के जिनको वो बेचारे खा खा के बहुत परेशान हो चुके थे. बट देयर वाज नो चॉइस. अब आपको चीजें तो खानी थी, दवाइयां तो आपको मिलती हैं, तो अगर आपको ठीक होना है तो यू नीड टू हैव दोज मेडिसिन. तो उनको मेडिसिन दी. देयर वर स्मॉल पैकेजेस एंड समटाइम इट टेस्टेड लाइक अ सिनेमम एंड सम कंटेन्ड सम स्पेरिकल ब्राउन पैलेट्स. आयुर्वेदिक दवाइयां देखी होंगी आपने, ब्राउन ब्राउन कलर के छोटे गोल गोल सी एकदम गोलियां जैसे होती है, तो वो सब उनको दिया गया. एंड ही सेज ही फाइंड्स दैट ये जो मुझे दी गई ना पैलेट्स, ही वाज जस्ट फाइंडिंग एंड ही वाज वेरी सस्पिशियसली सेइंग दैट दीज मेडिसिन्स लुक लाइक शीप डंग. But of course, he says that I took them. मैंने लिया because I wanted to get well soon, because वो रात भर से सो नहीं पाए, and it was really a troublesome thing for him. But he says I took them, and that night, after my full day's course, I slept very soundly like a log, not a dead man. He says कि एक दिन पहले उनकी जो हालत हो रही थी, it was just like a dead man, and he was saying that today he was feeling little good and he had a sound sleep the whole night. उन्हें रात भर नींद बड़ी अच्छी आई, so he was very happy. एंड ही फर्दर, अब आगे वो क्या कहते हैं सी, तो हम इसको वापस से यहीं से लेंगे. वंस ही सॉ दैट आई वाज गोइंग टू लिव टीस्टन and left me to return to Lhasa as a Buddhist, he told me he knew that it didn't really matter if I passed away, but he thought it would be bad for business. He says कि once एक बार जब मैं वहां से गया, ठीक है, एंड जब मैंने मेडिसिन ली एंड आई स्लेप्ट नाइसली, सो टीस्टन को ऐसा लगा दैट आई एम गोइंग टू बी फाइन, मैं बिल्कुल ठीक से रहने वाला हूँ, एंड आई एम गोइंग टू लिव. एंड ही सेज दैट नाउ ही इज गोइंग टू रिटर्न टू लासा, और अब उन्होंने डिसाइड किया कि वो लासा वापस जाएंगे. एंड एज अ बुद्धिस्ट ही सेज दैट ही टोल्ड मी he knew that it didn't really matter if I passed away. उसने क्या बोला कि मुझे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता, if even if you die ना, अगर तुम मर भी जाओ तो मुझे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ना. But he thought it would be bad for business. बस उसने बोला बट अगर तुम्हें कुछ हो गया तो ये मेरे बिजनेस के लिए बहुत गलत हो जाएगा, बिकॉज वंस यू डाई तो मेरे पास में भाई और मैं, मेरे को कौन से पिलग्रिम्स मिलेंगे जिनको मैं कोरा के लिए लेके जाऊं, जो मेरी कार को हायर करेंगे एंड जिससे कि मैं कुछ अर्निंग करूंगा. सो द थिंग इज लिटिल डिफिकल्ट. But he says, आगे वो बढ़ता है, and he says Darchan didn't look so horrible after that good night's sleep, and it was still dirty, partially derelict, and punctuated by heaps of rubble and refuse, but the sun shone brilliantly in a clear blue sky, and the outlook across the plain to the south gave me a vision of the Himalayas, commanded by a huge snow-capped mountain, Gurla Mahadatta, and just a wisp of cloud suspended over its summit. And he further says that Darchan, उस दिन रात की अच्छी नींद के बाद में मुझे उतना बुरा नहीं लगा जितना लग रहा था. हालांकि it was still dirty, it was still, we can say, partially covered with the rubble and refuse, that is garbage, we can say, but sun was shining so brilliantly in the clear blue sky. And further he says the outlook across the plain to the south, it gave me a vision of the Himalayas, and commanded by huge snow-capped mountains, Gurla Mandhata, and with just a wisp of cloud suspended over its summit. The town had a couple of rudimentary general stores selling Chinese cigarettes, soap, and other basic provisions, as well as the usual strings of prayer flags. In front of one man gathered in the afternoon for a game of pool, the battered table looking supremely incordious in the open air, while nearby women washed their long hair in the icy water of a narrow brook that babbled down past my guest house. Darchan felt relaxed and unhurried, but for me it came with a significant drawback. There was no pilgrims. उसने बोला कि देखो, अब उसने बोला that Darchan was dusty and lot of rubbish could be seen all around. But he says, and the town appeared to be sparsely populated, because in this season there were no pilgrims over there. Zyada pilgrims nahi the, and he says that he think he has reached too early. And he says ये जो town था यहाँ पे क्या दिख रहे थे? There were some general stores. Those were selling some Chinese cigarettes, soaps और कुछ और basic provision items, as well as कुछ usual strings थे prayer flags के. And in front of one man, in front उसने बोला there was a man जो क्या कर रहा था, कुछ पीपल थे, कुछ मेन थे, मेन, ठीक है, दे वर गैदर्ड इन द आफ्टरनून एंड दे वर हैविंग अ पूल गेम ऑफ पूल, and the battered table looking supremely incordious in the open air. And while he says nearby there was a woman, and the woman was doing what? Woman was just washing her long hair in the icy water of the narrow brook. brook किसको बोलते हैं? जो छोटी सी नदी होती है ना, पास से एक छोटी सी नदी निकल रही थी, उसके लिए उन्होंने बोला. तो उसमें से वो क्या कर रहे थे? वो जस्ट वॉशिंग लॉन्ग हेयर, अपने बालों को धो रही थी. That babbled down past my guest house, वो रिवर, वो नैरो ब्रुक जो उसके गेस्ट हाउस के पास से जा रही थी. एंड डार्चन फेल्ट रिलैक्स्ड. उन्होंने बोला डार्चन आज बहुत रिलैक्स लग रहा था, बहुत बिल्कुल ऐसा अनहरीड सा लग रहा था. मतलब डार्चन में लोगों को जाने की, इधर उधर भागने की, जो हम बोलते हैं ना जल्दीबाजी, ऐसा कुछ नहीं था. It came with a significant drawback. There were no pilgrims, but he says that there was a significant drawback. ये एक उसको गड़बड़ लग रही थी वहां पे. एंड द थिंग इज दैट देयर वर नो पिलग्रिम्स एट दैट टाइम. वहां पे उस वक्त पिलग्रिम्स नहीं थे. एंड ही वाज रियली फीलिंग सैड अबाउट दैट, कि वो बिल्कुल, वी कैन से ना कि बहुत अकेला, बहुत ही लोनली सा हो गया था. तो उसको ये चीज वहां पे बुरी लग रही थी. Now he says that I had been told that at the height of the pilgrim season, the town was blushing with visitors. Many brought their own accommodation, enlarging the settlement round its edges as they set up their tents, which spilled down on the plain. And I had timed my arrival for the beginning of the season, but it seemed I was too early. He says, मुझे ऐसा कहा गया था that during the time of the pilgrimage season, उस समय में यहाँ पे क्या होता है? The town is overpouring with people. इसमें यहाँ पे कैसे लोग होते हैं? overpouring, बहुत people होते हैं, ठीक है. But he says town is just bustling with the visitors, but बहुत सारे तो अपना accommodation लेके आ जाते हैं. That is, बहुत सारे लोग ऐसे होते हैं जो अपना टेंट लगाते हैं और वहीं पे जो होता है अपनी सब चीजों को मैनेज करते हैं, वहीं रहते हैं, वहीं खाते हैं, वहीं बनाते हैं. तो ऑल दीज थिंग्स, वो कह रहे हैं कि ये जब चीजें यहाँ पे होने वाली थी तो आई जस्ट थॉट कि ऐसा होगा एंड आई एम गोइंग टू एंजॉय इट अ लॉट. तो उस चक्कर में वो बेचारे जल्दी आए, ठीक है. एंड ही सेज दैट आई हैव टाइम्ड माय अराइवल, मैंने अपना अराइवल टाइम किया जब, and I found that I am on time, but then later it seemed to me कि कुछ गड़बड़ हुई है and I am before time. I have come there too early, उन्होंने बोला, ठीक है. तो अब जब उन्होंने ये चीज को देखा, that is why he says कि यहाँ पे people were very less, लोग बहुत कम थे. One afternoon, I sat pondering my options over a glass of tea in Darchan's only cafe. After a little consideration, I concluded they were severely limited. Clearly, I hadn't made much progress with my self-help program on positive thinking. One afternoon, he says that I was sitting at the only cafe in Darchan, वहां मैं बैठा था, and I was just pondering my options over a glass of tea, चाय पी रहे थे और सोच रहे थे. After a little consideration, मैंने conclude किया that they were severely limited, and clearly I hadn't made much progress with my self-help program on positive thinking. ठीक है, अपने सेल्फ हेल्प प्रोग्राम से ऑन पॉजिटिव थिंकिंग. नाउ वो फर्दर क्या बोलते हैं, दैट ऐसा मेरे साथ हुआ एंड इन माय डिफेंस इट हैडंट बीन इजी विद ऑल माय स्लीपिंग डिफिकल्टीज. But however, I looked at it. I could only wait. The pilgrimage trail was well trodden, but I didn't fancy doing it alone. The Kora was seasonal because parts of the route were liable to blockage by snow. I had no idea whether or not the snow had cleared, but I wasn't encouraged by the chunks of dirty ice that still clung to the banks of the Darchen Brook. Since Teaston had left, I had come across anyone. I had not come across anyone in Darchen with enough English to answer even this most basic question. Now he says that in my defense, it hadn't been easy with all my sleeping difficulties. But however, I looked at it. I could only wait. और कुछ नहीं है, इंतजार करो. Pilgrimage trail जो है, it was well trodden, but it I didn't fancy doing it alone. मुझे ना अकेले ये पिलग्रिमेज करने में भी कोई मजा नहीं आने वाला. ठीक है. सो उन्होंने क्या बोला, उन्होंने बोला कि देखो जब से टीस्टन रिटर्न हुआ है वापस, ठीक है, बिकॉज दिस कोरा इज सीजनल, तो यहाँ पे आते हैं बट सीजनल, बट द पार्ट ऑफ द रूट इज प्रोन टू इज लाइबल टू ब्लॉकेज बाय स्नो. और मुझे कोई आइडिया नहीं है कि स्नो वहां पे है, स्नो को वहां से क्लियर किया गया है नहीं किया गया. एंड आई वाजंट एनकरेज्ड बाय दोस चंक्स ऑफ डर्टी आइस जो अभी भी उस बैंक ऑफ द डार्चन ब्रुक के आसपास में पड़ी है. नहीं, टीस्टन सेज, वो कहता है कि एज सुन एज जब से टीस्टन यहाँ से गए हैं, आई हैडंट कम अक्रॉस एनी पर्सन, मैं ऐसे किसी पर्सन से यहाँ पे नहीं मिला हूँ जिससे मैं ये बोल सकूं कि द पर्सन इज दैट मच अंडरस्टैंडेबल, इतना समझ पा रहा है, इतनी इंग्लिश समझ पा रहा है एटलीस्ट कि दैट यस, कि मेरे इस बेसिक से क्वेश्चन का कि कोई वो आंसर तो दे पाए. ठीक है, बट उसने बोला ऐसा भी नहीं हो रहा. अब उन्होंने बोला दैट आई हैड नॉट कम अक्रॉस एनीवन इन द Darchen विद इनफ इंग्लिश टू आंसर इवन द मोस्ट बेसिक क्वेश्चन. Until that is I met Norbu. The cafe was small, dark and cavernous, with a long metal stove that ran down the middle. The wall and the ceiling were withered in sheets of multicolored plastic of the stripped variety, broad blue, red and white, that is made into stout. Voluminous shopping bags were sold all over China and in many countries of Asia as well as Europe. As such, plastic must rate as one of China's most successful export along the Silk Road today. अब फर्दर वो क्या कह रहे हैं, फर्दर दे आर सेइंग दैट द थिंग इज कि अब वो वहां पे जब कैफे में बैठे थे, ही केम अक्रॉस अ मैन, वो एक पर्सन को मिले एंड यू नो व्हाट द पर्सन इज, दे से दैट अंटिल दैट इज आई मेट नॉर्बू, मैं नॉर्बू से मिला. द कैफे वॉज स्मॉल, कैफे बहुत ही छोटा सा था, कैफे बहुत डार्क था एंड बहुत ही कैवर्नस था. एंड विद अ लॉन्ग मेटल स्टोव, एक लॉन्ग मेटल स्टोव था दैट रैन डाउन द मिडल. ठीक है, वॉल एंड सीलिंग्स जो थे दे वर विदर्ड इन शीट्स ऑफ मल्टी कलर्ड प्लास्टिक ऑफ अ स्ट्रिप्ड वेराइटी दैट इज ब्रॉड ब्लू, रेड एंड व्हाइट. एंड फर्दर वो क्या बोल रहे हैं, जब उन्होंने ये चीज देखा उन्होंने बोला दैट इज मेड इनटू अ स्टाउट, दैट इज, ये वो प्लास्टिक था जिसके वॉल्यूमिनस प्लास्टिक शॉपिंग बैग्स जो थे दे वर सोल्ड ऑल ओवर द चाइना एंड इन मेनी अदर पार्ट्स ऑफ द कंट्री ऑफ एशिया एज वेल एज यूरोप. एंड एज सच तब हम बोल सकते हैं कि जो यहाँ पे प्लास्टिक था ना, इट वॉज द मोस्ट रेटेड प्रोडक्ट एंड वी कैन से इट मस्ट रेज एज वन ऑफ द चाइनाज मोस्ट सक्सेसफुल एक्सपोर्ट अलॉन्ग द सिल्क रोड टुडे. You can just imagine, throw the plastic, it's drastic. और यहाँ पे the most rated product है चाइना का, the plastic. Yes, so he says the cafe had a single window beside which I had taken up position so that I could see the pages of my notebook. I had also brought a novel with me to help pass the time. ना इस कैफे में एक अकेली एक ही विंडो थी जो उन्होंने कहा ली, टू दैट पोजीशन. Yes, so the cafe had a single window beside which he say that मैंने अपनी पोजीशन ली थी. इस तरीके से उन्होंने पोजीशन ली थी that he was able to see the pages of his notebook and he says मैं एक नॉवल भी लेके आया था अपने साथ so that I can pass the time. ठीक है सर कि क्या हो सके टाइम पास हो जाए, बिकॉज ही सेज that he actually wanted to reach Mount Kailash to do the Kora to get a feel of what a pilgrimage was like, but he didn't want to do it alone, अकेले नहीं करना, but because there was no one and he was looking for someone who could speak or understand English, तो वहां पे बेचारे के साथ डिफिकल्टी हो गई. So he was just sitting in the cafe and just reading the book and the novel which he has with him. Now, the person named Norbu was sitting just opposite him, and he says, Norbu saw my book when he came in and asked with a gesture if he could sit opposite me at my rickety table. You English? He inquired after he ordered tea. I told him I was, and we struck up a conversation. अब नॉर्बू जब वहां पे आए, as he came in, he just looked at my book and it was just an English book, and he just asked me with a gesture that if he could sit opposite me at my rickety table, and he says that you English? He inquired after he ordered the tea, and I told him yes, I was English, and then our conversation started. तो उनकी जो थी बातें शुरू हो गई. ठीक है, द कन्वर्सेशन स्टार्टेड मीन्स अब जब आप कहीं पे ऐसी जगह पे गए हो दैट यू आर ऑल अलोन सिटिंग समवेयर, and then you suddenly find a person that who's just like you and who is similar to you in one or the other way, you just struck up a conversation, that is you start talking about something or the other. So यहाँ पे फर्दर क्या हुआ, उनकी बातचीत शुरू हुई. I didn't think he was from those parts because he was wearing a wind cheater and metal rimmed spectacles of a Western style. He was a Tibetan, he told me, but worked in Beijing at the Chinese Academy of Social Sciences in the Institute of Ethnic Literature. I assumed he was on some sort of field work. He says that I didn't think he was from those parts because जो उसने जिस तरह का अटायर उन्होंने पहन रखा था ना, that is he was wearing a wind cheater, he was wearing a metal rimmed spectacles of Western style, and he was what? He was a Tibetan, he told me, but he worked in Beijing at the Chinese Academy of Social Sciences. ये उन्होंने बताया that I work at Beijing at the Chinese Academy of Social Sciences, and in the Institute of Ethnic Literature I work, and I assume he was on some sort of field work. और मैंने ऐसा assume किया, just suppose the fact, मुझे नहीं मालूम था that he is also coming to complete his Quora, but I just decided, और मैंने ऐसा अपने आप में assume किया, I just suppose that कहीं ना कहीं he is on some sort of field work, वो कोई field work पे ही है, इससे ज्यादा कुछ नहीं. Yes and no, he said, I have come to do the Quora. Yes and no, he said. उन्होंने बोला मैं अपना Quora करने के लिए आया हूँ. That is, I have come to complete my pilgrimage. My heart jumped. मेरा तो दिल खुशी से उछलने लगा. Norbu had been writing academic papers, but the Kailash Quora and its importance in various works of Buddhist literature for many years, he told me, but he had never actually done it himself. Norbu ने बताया उसको कि yes, I have to complete my Quora to Mount Kailash because he says that I had been writing academic papers about Kailash Quora and उसकी importance जो various works of Buddhist literature में पाए जाते हैं for many years. This is the thing that Norbu explained, the author, and along with that he says कि मैंने इतना लिखा, इतना स्टडी किया, इतना सर्च किया, इतने. Yes, see, so now जहां पे हमने तो उन्होंने बोला that कि I have already, मैं हमेशा से मैंने इन चीजों के बारे में बहुत कुछ देखा है, बहुत कुछ मैंने इनके बारे में लिखा है, but I have never completed this journey for myself. So when the time came for me to tell him what brought me to Darchan, his eyes lit up. We could be a team. तो जब मेरा समय आया ये उसको ये एक आइडिया देने का that क्यों ना that we हाँ मैं बताऊं कि मैं Darchan क्यों आया हूँ, that why I am stuck out in this Darchan place. So जितने में मैं बोलता उतने में his eyes lit up with the idea and he says we could be a team. He said excitedly, and very excitedly he says कि हम तो एक टीम बन सकते हैं. Two academics who have escaped from the library, दो ऐसे academics जो किसी लाइब्रेरी से भागे हैं. Perhaps my positive thinking strategy was working after all, and he says perhaps जो मेरी positive thinking strategy थी, after all now it started working. My initial relief at meeting Norbu, who was also staying in the guest house, was tempered by the realization that he was almost as ill-equipped as I was for the pilgrimage. And he kept telling me how fat he was and how hard it was going to be. Very high up, Up kept reminding me, so tiresome to walk. He wasn't really a practicing Buddhist, it transpired, but he had enthusiasm and he was, of course, Tibetan. उन्होंने बोला मेरा इनिशियल रिलीफ जो था एट मीटिंग नॉर्बू हु वाज आल्सो स्टेइंग इन द गेस्ट हाउस, वो क्या था, वाज टेम्पर्ड बाय द रियलाइजेशन दैट ही वाज ऑलमोस्ट इल इक्विप्ड एंड आई वाज एज आई वाज अ पिलग्रिमेज. वो मुझे बताते रहे, ही केप्ट ऑन टेलिंग मी दैट हाउ फैट ही वाज एंड हाउ इट हार्ड इट वाज टू बी इतने हाई अप, इतने फैट होके इतना हाई अप माउंटेन पे क्लाइम करना इज अ वेरी डिफिकल्ट थिंग. ही केप्ट रिमाइंडिंग मी, सो टायरसम टू वर्क. And he wasn't really a practicing Buddhist, it transpired, but he had enthusiasm and he was, of course, a Tibetan. उनके अंदर enthusiasm था and of course he was a Tibetan. Although I had originally envisaged making the trek in the company of the devout believers, on reflection I decided that perhaps Norbu would turn out to be the ideal companion. He suggested we hire some yaks to carry our luggage, which I interpreted as a good sign. And he had no intentions of prostrating himself all round the mountains. Not possible, he cried, collapsing across the table in hysterical laughter. It wasn't his style, and anyways, his tummy was too big. And although he says that I had originally envisaged making the trek in the company of the devout believers, and reflection, मैंने decide किया that perhaps Norbu would turn out to be an ideal companion. He suggested we hire some yak to carry our luggage, and which I interpreted as a good sign. बिल्कुल सही है. And he had no intentions of prostrating himself all round the mountain, and not possible, he cried, collapsing across the table in a hysterical laughter. उन्होंने बोला it wasn't his style, and anyway his tummy was too big, that he was a fat kind of person. So we can say that Norbu एक बहुत ही plump working Tibetan था in Beijing at the Chinese Academy of Social Sciences, and he saw him reading an English book and he came and introduced himself to the author, and he was also there to do the Kora. And although he was not a very religious person, so both of them decided to do the Kora together, and they were very happy of being with each other. एक दूसरे के साथ इस Kora को complete करना was a main thing, and they both were very happy to do this thing. Okay, so this way we can say that ultimately the happy endings always happy, we can say. So here also, even after two companions left in between, at certain points the journey became, we can say, unhappy, and it became a tiresome and a lonely journey which he didn't want to continue. कि उसको करनी तो पड़ेगी, but he actually didn't want to continue alone. So ultimately he got a companion named Norbu, and he was also there to complete the Kora, and he was happy that when they got the idea that they could be a team, and very excitedly they agreed to each other's idea and continued and completed the journey together. Okay, so this is all for today's class, and now we'll be meeting tomorrow in this class as well as in the school, and we are going to complete the next topics, whichever we are going to take up in tomorrow's class. Okay, chalo, till then take care of yourself and see you.